So I've got Mose's new gimbal product here called the Mini-Me. No relation to Austin Powers. What's really neat about this gimbal is you're actually able to wirelessly charge your phone while you're using it. So if you have one of the latest smartphones that allows the wireless charging, you got that going on. Another nice feature is it tells you your battery life right there. You have an ease of use. All I did was turn it off and turn it on. It automatically knew it was an iPhone 10. Depending on whatever phone you have, it will adjust and work for that. So you see, one click of a button and we're there. Another nice feature is if you use the Filmic Pro app, you can actually control the ISO and you can control the focus using this nice little button there, which is a lot better than doing the touch screen. So I'm very, very impressed with this product. Another really insane feature that I need to mention. So this product goes for around $109. So Mose also put out a new product, which is a tripod that actually serves as a battery charger. So it's actually charging the gimbal as I'm using it, and the gimbal in turn is charging the iPhone. So this is a huge game changer. Often when I'm shooting 360 videos, I'm tethering batteries to it, plugging them in, velcroing them around tripods. And for me, it's like, oh, I gotta bring the battery packs, I gotta bring the tripod, and now it's a lot easier. All I have to do is bring one thing, and it has both combined in there. So you're gonna see a lot of other tripod companies like Manfrotto, Joby, who are gonna try and copy this design, but know that Mose did it first, and it's really amazing. By the way, this is totally branded video because Mose has hired me out to be a speaker at their NAB booth. So in case you're wondering why I'm mentioning this, it's because it's an awesome product, but in addition, they are paying me just a little bit. Alright, so that's the end of the video because I gotta get home and edit this, and it's almost 11:30. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Check out the next video. So check that out. Isn't that awesome?